Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through the process of how to send an invoice on eBay efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned seller or a newcomer, this step-by-step tutorial will help you navigate eBay's platform smoothly and ensure your transactions go off without a hitch. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. For those of you who are new to eBay, you can start by clicking the Create an Account button. This option allows you to choose between a personal or business account. Simply provide your full legal name, email address, and a secure password. Follow the on-screen instructions, click Create an Account, and you're ready to dive into the world of eBay selling. To make the process even more streamlined, you can opt to continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, which connects your existing accounts for quicker access. Now, let's talk about why you might need to send an invoice on eBay. For instance, if your buyer hasn't gone through eBay's checkout system directly, sending an invoice becomes essential. There are various scenarios where this tool is beneficial. Perhaps a buyer is purchasing multiple items from you, and you'd like to combine them into a single transaction. In such cases, you might need to adjust the transaction details, like altering shipping charges or choosing a different payment method. Remember, some modifications can only be made upon the buyer's request. There are two primary ways to send an invoice, depending on your interface, which may vary slightly. You can do it via the Seller Hub or through My eBay. Let's walk through the process using My eBay in this instance. After logging in, click on Summary from your dashboard. This is where you can send or modify an invoice. On the left side panel, click on Selling, then Sold. If you have items listed here, select the specific item you wish to invoice. Click on Actions, then choose Send Invoice. Here you can make any necessary changes to shipping charges, payment methods, and more. Once you're satisfied, simply click Send Invoice. It's that straightforward. However, you might occasionally face issues where sending an invoice isn't possible. If that happens, don't worry. Just click on Help and Contact. In the eBay Help search bar, type in Sending Invoices to Buyers. You'll find a comprehensive guide with step-by-step instructions on how to resolve any issues you might encounter. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful eBay tips and tricks. We'll catch you in the next video.